Well, g'day guys, yeah, it's Board Buster from Wellington Foilers. Yeah, today I got down the bay and it was really windy. Like I was reading the wind, as you can see, and nearly getting blown off the rock, as you can see, like hanging on my hat and everything. So yeah, it was gusting up to 25 knots today, and a few of the boys went out on their windsurfers, and yeah, as you can see, it's really rough out there. So I kind of just sat and watched, and I was thinking of going out for a windsurf today, but I'm thinking, look, it's so rough, and I haven't windsurfed much lately, as you probably know. And I'm thinking, I'm just going to go out there and have a hard time, maybe hurt myself. So yeah, I just chose to sit in the park with Sue and watch the boys having a good time. But yeah, some of them come in and said it was pretty wild out there, and kind of like they kind of enjoyed it. But yeah, it was pretty challenging out there. Like you can see the chop, like there's massive chop out there, and really big gusts. Like it was really gusty. Like as I was reading the wind, I read the wind a few times, and yeah, at times it was 15 knots, and then getting some massive bullets come through, and it was 25 knots. And so yeah, they all came in saying it was pretty challenging out there, pretty gusty. And yeah, as you can see, that's Shane. He's going quite well. He's kind of struggling a bit at the moment. He's got a few injuries and that, but he was out there giving it a shot. And that's Nick coming in now. Nick absolutely loves these conditions. He really enjoys them. So yeah, he's having a good run. That's Nick and Ben. So Ben's come out now. That's the gear they're on. Shane's on his old Aerotech. Yeah, still going good, that sail. Must be really old now. Ben seems to love the really rough conditions too. He was going out, like right out the bay a few times, and he said the chop out there was massive, and yeah, seems to get a real buzz out of it, going out in that big chop, getting a bit of air time and that. There's Nick and Shane having a little talk about it. Here comes Ben, having a nice run in, getting a bit of air in close, in the pond. Whoa! The tide was fairly low at this stage. You can see in the background the banks are coming out. It doesn't seem to really, when it's this windy, it doesn't really seem to make much flat water, the sandbanks coming out. But as you can see, it's pretty choppy even in close. Getting a little bit of air here and there, bouncing around. Not a bad job. And he's off. A little bit light looking at the moment, looking at the water. That's what I mean, like sometimes it's down to maybe 10, 15 knots. So, you know, Shane's got a pretty good advantage. He's pretty light, so he gets going pretty easy in the light options. Looks like he's out in the wind line at the moment. Shane was mainly going out to the end of the channel there, then heading back, whereas Nick and Ben were heading out further. I think Shane was feeling real well, so he wasn't going out too far. He was just playing it safe. There's Ben, he's right out now. Sue's having trouble holding the camera still in the wind. Like, it's pretty hard holding the camera when she zoomed out so far. You can see how big the chop is out there. So Shane's coming back in. Woo! Did well to make that joy. He's getting thrown around a bit. And he's off. Pounding a nice run. Ben ended up getting a 33 knot 2 second peak, so well done. And Nick even reckons he got a 35 knot 2 second peak, so yeah, really good speeds in the big chop. See how choppy it is out across the bay behind Ben there, like, pretty wild out there. The tides was coming in, so they start heading up as it gets deeper. They can start heading up further south, up into the they call it the kitchen, so they can get up there, and it's a little bit flatter up there, so they'll start heading up there soon and trying to get a little bit of flatter water. Not sure what these two girls, or this bunch of girls, were doing, but they parked their cars on the boat ramp taking photos of them, and we thought they were going to do a wheelie, but I don't think they did. I think they were behaving themselves. A little bit stormy. You can't even see Stradbroke Island out there. There's a bit of rain around out there. We got one little shower at the point, but yeah, not much. You can just make out the island there at the moment in the background. Very, very humid, easy out there, and like it was still pretty warm. Like it was nice sitting in the breeze, but yeah, it was around that 30 degrees. So you get out of the breeze and it was fairly uncomfortable, really. The next heading right out past the channel at the moment. You can get a bit of good speed out past the channel there if you bear away going with the chop. So this is Rob's come out now. He came out a bit later and had some nice runs. So ended up there was 4 of them out there. Sue's having a bit of trouble hanging on the camera. You might notice the camera's shaking around. It's a bit hard to keep it still in 20, maybe 25 knots, eh, Sue? She did a good job. Been on a really nice run out. Looks like he's bearing off the wind a bit. Going up and over the reef at the moment. Pretty pretty deep there for a fin, like there's not much chance of hitting the bottom of a fin, like probably still waist deep where he was. Bit different to being on a foil, you can't go up there on a foil. There's Robin, a nice run out. It's just going to get choppier out there. So he's coming back in. Rob wasn't going out too far either. Rough enough in close. Anyway, the prediction for the next day is still pretty windy, so I'm not sure if I'll get out on the wing foil, but I'll go down and have a look. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.